Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how the blood circulates in the whole body and what are the blood vessels entering the heart and what are the blood vessels leaving the heart. So for this you need to imagine a building with a 4 rooms. Naming them as the upper as arteries, that are your auricles, and lower ventricles. This is right auricle, this is right ventricle, this is left auricle, and this is left ventricle. So firstly we'll be learning the blood vessels entering the heart. So we have the anterior vena cava from the upper body in the right auricle, entering the right auricle, and the posterior vena cava from the lower body, and this is posterior vena cava, and this is anterior vena cava, that is from the upper body. So they bring the deoxygenated blood posterior vena cava and the anterior vena cava. Then we have 2 more which are entering the left auricle. So we have actually 4 entering the left auricle. They are from the lungs. Now if they are from the lung, they will be obviously oxygenated only. These are the pulmonary veins. So these are pulmonary arteries. These both, and this is a pulmonary vein. So pulmonary vein enters the left auricle. Then we have one which is leaving the heart, that is aorta, from the left ventricle. This is aorta. So it carries oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. It doesn't come out like this, but it makes a pulmonary arc over the heart like this, which you can see. Okay. So now what happens in the whole circulation is that the deoxygenated blood from the upper body via the anterior vena cava enters the right auricle, and via posterior vena cava the lower body deposits its deoxygenated blood to the right auricle. Now here is a tricuspid valve. It is like this. So 3 cusps are there, so the name is tricuspid. So via right auricle pushes it into the right ventricle. Now from right ventricle we have this blood vessel going in the lung. So this is also deoxygenated blood. So it enters the lungs. Now through lungs it gets oxygenated, so then it enters the right auricle, then from right auricle to the left ventricle, then to the aorta on the whole body. So this was all for the today's video. I hope you like the content, and do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.